This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Milton's Landing, featuring this 4-bed 4-full and 1/2 bath colonial on 1+/acre lot. Full basement, stainless kitchen appliance package, and granite/quartz countertops. Luxury vinyl plank flooring on main level including the laundry room. Upper level bedrooms can be upgraded to luxury vinyl plank. Country setting yet close to amenities. Truly a great value in this hot market in an ideal location. Ready to occupy April/May 2023. Builder has made all selections and pictures represent similar finishes. See option sheet for any upgrades available. The community roads will be paved for added value. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304